How to know if someone is online on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video by AppHacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can know if someone is online on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up your Snapchat. After you open up your Snapchat, simply head over to your profile on the top left and then head over to the settings on the top right. Now scroll down all the way down and there you will see privacy controls. There you will find activity indicator. Head over there and turn this on. What this does is that whenever you're online and a friend who has turned on activity indicator on, what will happen is you can head over to that friend's profile and you will see a green indicator right here, meaning that this guy is online. And yeah, they will also be able to see you if you are online or not. So yeah, that is how you can know if someone is online or Snapchat or not. So that's the first way. If none of you have turned activity indicator on, what you can do is you can head over to the text section and just text them. After you text them, if this delivered option turns to open, it means that that person is online and they have just viewed your message. And yeah, those are the way you can know if someone is online on Snapchat. Thanks for watching guys, and that is all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to AppHacks, and bye bye, take care.